Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting a creative island ready and published. Open Creative, build or import the scene you want as a lobby backdrop, and shape it for 16:9 framing so key elements stay visible. Once done, open the island settings and choose Publish. Make the island public and add a clear name and description so others can find it. You need an Epic account verified for publishing. Without that, the lobby option won't appear. Next, find your published island in Discover or paste the island code in the search field and open its details page. You should see a set as lobby background or similar option. Select it to assign that island as your lobby backdrop. This registers the island with your profile on Epic servers. Make sure you confirm and let the game sync. If you switch islands, the lobby updates the next time you load the main menu, so give it a moment to propagate. Finally, return to the Fortnite lobby and check that your new background is visible. The change usually appears after a short sync. If it doesn't show, republish the island ensuring it's public and not flagged. Make sure your Epic account is verified and linked to the console or PC. If problems persist, restart Fortnite, clear temporary files, or switch networks to force a sync. One key troubleshooting tip: missing set as lobby background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.